video I'll explain how to make your website and app available for all the search engines and your clients. Okay, this is the very important crucial step. Do this step only if you completed all the steps till step 8. Okay, do this step only if you have completed all the steps and completed the website content. For example, if you this content is not up to date, this is has my website content. Okay, once you complete all the content, only then you have to come and do the sections. The reason why I say this is, okay, once we do this step, okay, the website will be available for all the search engine. The search engine will index the website content. Once the once the search engine indexes the website content, it is hard to change it. Okay, if the website content is not up to date and if you have completed this step, then it will be search engines will be indexing with my content, and it is very hard to change it. Okay, what I will suggest is remove all the sections that you don't need, keep only the head section, and then you can do the section. Okay, else complete the website content and then do the step. Okay, I am going to tell you how you can make this section. Okay, make this available to all the website users and search engines. Okay, for this you have to go to LM of system settings, open English CMS, click on site ready to index, which is the next button after website sections. Site ready to index. The site ready to index, you will see it is said as no. Once you have to type yes. Once you type yes and click on save changes, immediately within 1 or 2 days the Google and all the search engines will index your website content, and your website is now ready for all the website users and for advertising. Okay, now I click on save changes. If I click on open website now, this content, the website will index the content for lmofworkshop.com. okay, so that's how simple it is. Now this website is not ready. I am not okay, I am changing it to no. Okay, save. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.